Are you ready to unlock the power to transform 2D images into stunning 3D models, all within the realm of Adobe Photoshop? Let's start by opening your desired JPEG image in Photoshop. For this project, I selected a picture of a simple building. Next, go to the 3D menu at the top of the screen and select New Mesh from Layer, and then choose Mesh Preset and the Depth Map to Plane feature to bring up the 3D panel tools. Photoshop will now create a 3D representation of your image based on its pixel depth, essentially analyzing how light reflects off the image to generate a spatial map in the 3D panel. You'll see several options, especially the depth map, which is most crucial at the beginning here. Find the drop-down. Change it from grayscale to image to have the image act as reference and base of the model by analyzing its pixel depths. Now let's adjust the settings to refine our 3D model. We will start with the depth setting. You can increase this slider to give your model more depth, which will also make it more 3D. Secondly, navigate to the Mesh Preset setting. Here you could choose between plane, cone, cylinder, or sphere presets. Choose the plane option and adjust the settings to see how the tool will impact the image. Experiment with these settings to achieve the desired 3D effect, and you'll start to see the 2D image taking a new shape, emerging into a 3D model. You can also see the material panel settings. Choose different setting for the surface textures to experiment with how the 3D model looks, such as adding a metallic effect. To finalize your new 3D model, you can fine-tune your work by adjusting the position, rotation and scale in the Properties panel, and with these adjustments you're now able to export or import your model to different softwares, unlocking a world of design possibilities. And with practice, you'll be creating high-quality 3D models from your ordinary 2D images. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more creative tech tips like these.